Welcome to the introduction on the rise of 3D printing. The world of manufacturing is rapidly changing. A new technology is emerging, one that has the potential to revolutionize how we create and design. This technology is 3D printing, also known as additive manufacturing. 3D printing allows entrepreneurs and businesses to produce custom-designed products on demand with minimal waste and unprecedented flexibility. Now, imagine creating prototypes in your own workshop, producing personalized goods for individual customers, or even manufacturing complex parts for specialized industries. 3D printing makes these scenarios possible, opening up a world of possibilities for those willing to embrace this cutting-edge technology. But how can entrepreneurs enter this exciting field without taking on significant financial risk? This essay will explore low-risk strategies for launching a successful 3D printing venture. We will delve into the steps involved in starting a 3D printing business, focusing on methods that minimize upfront investment and allow for gradual growth. From identifying your niche market to leveraging online platforms and learning from successful entrepreneurs, this guide will equip you with the knowledge and inspiration to embark on your 3D printing journey. Prepare to discover the potential of 3D printing and learn how you can become a part of this transformative industry. The future of manufacturing is here, and it's within your grasp. Let's explore the steps to kickstart your 3D printing venture with minimal risk. Let's dive into step 1: niche down and identify your target market. The first step in launching any successful business is identifying your target market and the specific needs you aim to fulfill. This principle holds true for 3D printing ventures as well. The beauty of 3D printing lies in its versatility. You can create a vast range of products, from personalized jewelry to functional prototypes and customized tools. Rather than trying to cater to everyone, focus on a specific niche within the 3D printing landscape. This approach allows you to tailor your services and products to a defined audience, making your marketing efforts more effective and increasing your chances of success. Consider your interests, skills, and the existing demand in the market. Are you passionate about creating artistic pieces, designing innovative gadgets, or providing solutions for specific industries? Research existing 3D printing businesses and identify gaps in the market that you can fill. By specializing in a particular area, you can establish yourself as an expert and attract a loyal customer base. Remember, niching down doesn't limit your potential. It focuses your efforts and resources, enabling you to deliver exceptional value to your chosen market segment. This targeted approach is crucial for minimizing risk as you embark on your 3D printing journey. Now let's move on to step 2. Start small and scale gradually. One of the most significant advantages of 3D printing is its scalability. Unlike traditional manufacturing, which often requires substantial upfront investment in machinery and inventory, 3D printing allows you to start small and scale your operations as your business grows. This approach minimizes financial risk and provides flexibility as you navigate the market and refine your offerings. Begin by investing in a desktop 3D printer that aligns with your chosen niche and budget. Numerous affordable yet capable 3D printers are available, offering excellent quality and functionality. As your business gains traction and demand increases, you can gradually upgrade to more advanced printers or expand your production capacity by adding more units. This gradual scaling approach allows you to reinvest profits back into your business, minimizing the need for external funding and reducing financial strain. It also provides valuable learning opportunities as you experiment with different 3D printing techniques, materials, and designs. Remember, starting small doesn't equate to thinking small. Embrace the potential of 3D printing while taking calculated steps to ensure sustainable growth and long-term success. Section 4, Step 3, leverage online marketplaces and digital fabrication platforms. The digital age has revolutionized commerce, providing entrepreneurs with unprecedented access to global markets. The digital transformation extends to the 3D printing industry, where online marketplaces and digital fabrication platforms play a crucial role in connecting creators with customers and streamlining production processes. Platforms like Etsy, Shapeways, and Thingiverse allow you to showcase your 3D printed creations to a vast online audience, eliminating the need for a physical storefront and significantly expanding your reach. These platforms handle order fulfillment, payment processing, and customer service, streamlining the logistical aspects of your business. Digital fabrication platforms, such as 3D hubs and Xometry, connect you with a network of 3D printing service providers, allowing you to outsource production when demand exceeds your in-house capacity. This approach provides scalability and flexibility, ensuring you can meet customer needs without significant upfront investment in equipment. Leveraging these online platforms minimizes financial risk by reducing overhead costs and expanding market access. Embrace the power of the digital realm to propel your 3D printing venture to new heights. Section 5, Step 4. Learn from successful 3D printing entrepreneurs. The 3D printing landscape is brimming with inspiring success stories of entrepreneurs who have harnessed the power of this technology to create thriving businesses. Learning from their experiences, strategies, and insights can provide invaluable guidance as you embark on your 3D printing journey. Seek out interviews, articles, and case studies featuring successful 3D printing entrepreneurs. Pay attention to their approaches to market research, product development, marketing, and scaling. Identify common challenges they faced and the solutions they implemented. Connect with other 3D printing enthusiasts through online forums, social media groups, and industry events. Engage in discussions, ask questions, and share your experiences. Building a network of like-minded individuals can provide support, inspiration, and valuable feedback as you navigate the world of 3D printing. Remember, you don't have to reinvent the wheel. Learn from those who have paved the way and apply their wisdom to your own venture. Collaboration and knowledge sharing are essential for success in the ever-evolving 3D printing industry. Section 6. Conclusion. Take the leap into the future of manufacturing. The world of 3D printing is brimming with opportunities for entrepreneurs who are willing to embrace innovation and adapt to the changing landscape of manufacturing. By following the low-risk strategies outlined in this essay, you can confidently take the first step towards launching your 3D printing venture. Remember to niche down and identify your target market, start small and scale gradually, leverage online marketplaces and digital fabrication platforms, and learn from the experiences of successful 3D printing entrepreneurs. These steps will empower you to minimize financial risk and maximize your chances of success. The future of manufacturing is here, and it's accessible to anyone with a vision, a passion for creation, and the willingness to embrace the transformative power of 3D printing. Don't let fear hold you back. Take the leap and become a part of this exciting revolution. With careful planning, strategic execution, and a commitment to continuous learning, you can turn your 3D printing dreams into a tangible reality. The world awaits your creations.